Welcome to OT Tricks and Tips for Kids, where we're taking OT to the next level. My name is Katina Lottis. Remember, if you don't see your topic, just write in so that I can address it. And please don't forget to subscribe. Now let's take a look at a problem solution video.
This trick is for kids who need help making a transition from a straw to a cup. Now, oftentimes, sensory defensive kids prefer the straw because they have better control of the liquid. The cup, when it's tilted, is just too overstimulating because the flow of the liquid is wider, can be faster as well, so it's just very overstimulating and you see a real sensory defensive response. So a great way to try to transition kids from the straw to the cup is to start by giving them a very thick liquid. This way, they are in more control of managing the liquid flow, and they can more slowly practice and more slowly become desensitized because there isn't going to be a large amount of liquid gushing near the lip region. So you might want to make a thick smoothie. You might want to make another type of beverage that is creamy and thick so that way your child can get really nice practice by tilting that cup and letting that liquid slowly move into the mouth. It's a great practice trick, so I would strongly suggest this if you haven't already tried it.